beautiful waterfall. This happens to be one of the most powerful waterfalls in India.
And we're going to drive through Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and go all the way to Dhanushkodi, which is the southernmost corner of Scotland.
The uncle we just met and serving this sweet as rich and as authentic.
You know, there's a slightly weird thing that I do when I travel. Okay, don't judge me. Whenever I go to a place, I make it a point to visit the most popular and touristy market. Think about that place, spice market, on the other side there's fruit market and then vegetable market, and the list just goes on and on and on.
Which is actually what Mysore is about. A beautiful amalgamation of people, cultures and tradition. And this
The Mysore Palace.
Yes, and
Beautiful sunset here today, and he really enjoyed it and he was glad that I was a part of it.
the light show is going on inside, which we cannot watch because we have to. Of India.
We bet you would.
very heavy heart, we had to bid her goodbye, only to hit the road once again.
I can't tell you how much I'm.
We're going to set off to a very exotic destination right at the break of dawn. Where? Shh. Sorry, that's a surprise. Such eminent fan of automobiles was Mr. Gopal Swami Doraiswamy Naidu. Mr. G.D. Naidu visited several countries and was amazed by the fine craftsmanship of cars produced in countries like England, Germany, France, America, Japan, and Spain. The evolution of car engineering, right from the old school vintage style to.
Would the automobile inventors of the 18th century even believe that the people of the 21st century will be driving cars with cool features?
After a drive, beautifully coexist in Pollachi. You name it and you have it.
This motivates me to plan my next trip. To be free, breathe in a space like this, makes me realize how much we keep on missing in the struggles of our daily lives.
Structure here, it's called the Vardhaman Nadi Dam, located in the outskirts of the city Palani. And these
Just amazed by the number of dams in this part of the country. South India. So much so that Madurai has an entire market dedicated to the food. Madurai is one of the oldest cities in India. The richness this city holds, the nation, is just growing by the moment.
here we come, Dhanush.
यार आयशा, I'm very sad.
Why?
यार क्योंकि हम इंडिया को कितना अंडर एस्टिमेट करते हैं ना. There are so many beautiful places over here that are only considered as points of pilgrimage. But you have to come here for yourself to know there is so much more to the. Suprabhat Devi और सज्जनों में. And what a journey it has been.
I'm going to take back so many stories and memories with me. Dhanushkodi has been declared as a ghost town, but honestly, it doesn't give me any chills. It never ends. It is only about new beginnings.